Hello guys, like I said, this is a part 2 of Fujitsu Lifebook AH532. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to upgrade the hard disk drive. So this is how you go about it. A screwdriver and your new hard disk drive. So this is what we do. This is actually the compartment of the hard disk drive. So you pop it open with a screwdriver. Be careful. Take a screw off, put it somewhere that you can remember, and you open this boy up. Then this is the hard disk drive that came with it. So we're going to be doing some other unscrewing, because this board is connected to this hood. So there we go again. You unscrew this boy here, just screw it out somewhere, and you unscrew this boy here. Put your screw out somewhere. So we getting this Toshiba hard drive that came with the box off. This is it right here. This is what came with the computer. RPM. So you said I'm going to upgrade it with this, the WB Black. This is 7,000 RPM, 72,000 RPM. So this is what we're going to be doing. Get this box over here. So we have the new one in there. And you close it. You hear the tack, and then everything is good. You close it. You screw back in there. And you close it. And please guys, don't forget to put the hard drive you take out in the protective plastic bag for you reuse in another PC or anything else sometime around. Thank you. This has been the upgrade of the hard drive on the Fujitsu Lifebook AH532.
Yeah. Dope tracks, coming through, snapping it, killing it. How you like me now? G ref, on some other shit. Yeah, check it out, what? Yeah, like a Duchamone, burn my soul on a